my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you already subscribed. So for today's video we are doing my Boxycharm unboxing. So this is the month of August Boxycharm. I have a little bit of a tiny issue with this month's box, not the products. The products in it are great, but I had to open the box early because my box, as you can see, was completely ripped when I received it in the mail. Not only that, but over here on the side is a large ding. So I don't know what happened. I don't know if my mail carrier was just careless or if my box was just beat up along the way. Either way, one of my products that I'm going to be showing you real soon was cracked, and I did reach out to Boxycharm and they redeemed themselves by replacing the item. The only problem is I will not be seeing that replacement until next month's box in September. Other than that, I'm well happy with this box. So let's get into this and let's see what we got. So as usual, they have their little usual card, and as you can see, there's Laura Lee and some other people, but I don't know. I always feel bad. I never know who these people are, and I feel so bad. Okay. So the first thing that I see here is the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. So it's this, has a nice little mirror, has this flimsy thing that I'm never going to use, and these are the eyeshadows. So let me put some swatches in and then you can see these up close and personal. So I swatched these in no particular order. I went from Karaoke, which is this navy blue, to Hungover, which is this plummy purple, Damage Control, which is this electric blue, Bottoms Up, which is this vibrant electric yellow, Is a Party, which is a very vibrant yellowish green, and Orange Drinks. So these are very beautiful, very pigmented colors. One swatch and one was done, so it was pretty good. Stained my fingers pretty good too. So far swatching the palette is pretty great. Can't wait to test that out. So the next thing that I have in here is this Becca. So I know Boxycharm had different primers. I believe they had about 3 primers. It's her Instant Complexion Refresh Primer. So as you can see, it's a very purpley type of primer, and it's very, very smooth, and it feels cooling on the skin. So this Becca primer is not full size. This is actually sample size. I believe the full size is in a glass little container, but either way, this will last me a really long time. I usually don't use up primers really fast. So the next thing I have here is my Smashbox. Oh, and I didn't mention the prices. Okay, so the Laura Lee palette is $19. The Becca primer is $15, but the full size is $18, so really not that much of a difference. Okay, so the next thing I have is my Smashbox assorted lip oh, sorry, not assorted. The shade I have is Girl Please. Smashbox was also featured in this month, and they did have a variety of different shades. So this is a very rosy, reddish, brown type of shade. And the applicator is weird. As you can see, it's got this weird looking, not a doe foot applicator, more like this triangular cylinder looking thing. And it smells like something citrusy, like a citrus candy, like a gummy bear or something. My Wander, these are the gold under eye patches. I believe these stay under your eyes for like 15 minutes. And I think these are going to, okay, so these are foiled eye masks to brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Okay, good, because I've been having some major dark circles for a long time, and it's so bad that not even my peach concealer, which always does the job, is not even working. Okay, so this is the product that I was talking about that got broken. So this is my Bang Beauty Gel Eyeliner. I believe everybody got the shade Chocolate. So this is supposed to be something that you can use to touch up your eyebrows. You can use it as an eyeshadow base, or you can use it as an eyeliner. So my issue is that, I don't know if you can see because my light's really bright, but my lid here is cracked. It is super duper cracked all the way to the front. But believe me when I say this thing is super cracked and air is definitely going into this. It's not gonna last me very long. So this is definitely something that is really chocolate. It's very smooth. As I'm touching it, I'm rubbing it in there, so it's very smooth. That's what the product looks like. So the last but very not least, oh, and this bang, oh, again, I messed up. Okay, so the Wonder Beauty eye patch things are $13. And what else? Ah, this Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner is $22. This is $22 and it came broken. Okay, last but very not least is this NCLA Treatment So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Now this stuff smells like lollipops. Oh my god, so good. So basically you're gonna put this on your cuticle and then you're going to rub it in, and then it will dry down and it will make your cuticles very soft and moisturized and hydrated. So I don't know about any of you ladies, gents out there, but I know that my cuticles, when it starts to become in between seasons, like when summer is starting to meet fall and the weather's beginning to change, my skin reacts to the weather dramatically. First thing, I am going to use this Wonder Eye Patch. Taking it, ooh, it's really wet. It's really wet. Ooh, ah, it got my box wet. It doesn't smell like anything particular. So this is what the under eye gel patches look like, and they're very wet. So it just says to put them under the eye, so let's do this. Ooh, right away I could feel that it is cooling, and it just feels, oh, so nice. My Becca First Light Priming Filter Complexion Primer, and I'm just going to use a little bit of this stuff because I don't really know how this is going to work for me, because I mean it does look pretty dang purple. So I guess the reason why this was purple is it's supposed to brighten your face and not leave you so dull looking. I mean, do I look like I'm not dull anymore? Do I look bright and full of life now, besides my eyes? Okay, so I mean, it's got a nice citrus smell to it, but I don't really notice a bit of any difference, except that I just put an almost freshening primer on the face. I don't notice any glow, except that it made my face look dewy, and if they mean glow is dewy, then I know I'm not gonna like it. So moving on to lips. So the only thing that I did off camera was finish the rest of my face, which I used my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation. I'm in the color Sand. I used my Note, that we got this in last month's box. This is in Desert Rose. I used my CoverGirl Peach, what is this called? Peach Punch palette. I just used the bronzer, the highlight. I powdered on my face with my Ride or Die Peach Perfect translucent powder, and set my under eyes with my e.l.f. medium coverage powder. So this is the lips, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on and just see how it goes. Overall, I think I really like the color. Now I don't think this is the right lip color for this eye look because I feel like this is a very deep brownish red, almost rosy. It's definitely rosy. So the total of this box is about $108. So if you don't know, Boxycharm is only $21 a month. It is a subscription and you get full-size products, if not basically ginormous deluxe sample sizes. Well, this is not even sample, this is like $15. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good deal every time you get this box. I feel I'm never disappointed because I get full-size products that I am going to use. So let's talk about this box for a moment. So the theme of this box is life is a party, and I feel like I'm really glad they featured this palette, only because I'm not the type of person that would go out and buy a colorful palette. I'm glad that Boxycharm put this in this month's box because it really helps me branch out and I can use these colors for anything in particular that I'm feeling. This is really nice. I'm definitely going to use this. This is a really nice cuticle oil. Smells like lollipops. Really excited for that. I love this. Even though this does not go with this, this is still a beautiful lip color and I would definitely be using it. As I said, this is a liquid lipstick, a traditional liquid lipstick. This is not going to dry down to a matte lipstick. These worked really great. It really helped with my under eye circles because I really had some dark under eye circles, and for the longest time I just was not able to cover my under eyes. But after I used this, it just sat on my under eyes for about 15 minutes. I used my concealer and bam! Not a darkness under the eyes in sight. Not really too proud of this. If I could say that this is the only other ding in this box, which is this, I don't notice a huge difference in my makeup except that it made my face dewy. I mean, it didn't really do anything else for me. I don't feel like it brightened my face. I don't feel like it's making me glowy or anything. I did use my matte foundation and I feel like it is what it is. The other ding in this box is that I did get a broken gel eyeliner, but it's okay. Boxycharm is making it up to me. They are gonna ship me something else even though it's next month. So overall, I am super excited with this box. I am happy like always every month, except for those little, I'm gonna call them minor issues. So if you like this tutorial, if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do videos like this every single month that I get a Boxycharm unboxing, and I also do other like makeup tutorials. I also do story time, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.